Best Bajaj ceiling fan in India in 2022. Number 10 Bajaj Regal Gold NXG Matte Ivory 600mm ceiling fan. Sweep 600mm. Power 70 watts. RPM 850. Air delivery 100 cmm. Number 9 Bajaj Edge HS Deco 1200mm ceiling fan. Sweep 1200mm. Sweep 1200mm. Power 68 watts. Air delivery 200 cmm. RPM 402 years on-site warranty. Number 8 Bajaj Regal Gold NXG 1200 ceiling fan. Sweep 1200mm. Power 64 watts. Air delivery 230 cmm. RPM 345. Number 7 Bajaj Butelo SX 1200mm ceiling fan. Sweep 1200mm. Power 66 watts. Air delivery 240 cmm. RPM 380. 2 years on-site warranty. Number 6 Bajaj Euro NXG Anti-Germ BBD 1200mm ceiling fan. Sweep 1200mm. Power 68 watts. Air delivery 230 cmm. RPM 320. Bye dust feature strong 14-pole motor. Number 5 Bajaj Edge HS Deco 1200mm ceiling fan. Sweep 1200mm. Power 68 watts. Air delivery 200 cmm. RPM 400. Warranty 2 years on product. Saves electricity by consuming less power. Number 4 Bajaj Steam ceiling fan 1200mm. Sweep 1200mm. Power 73 watts. Air delivery 225 cmm. RPM 380. Provides high blast of air for quick relief. 2 years on-site warranty. Number 3 Bajaj Edge HS 1200mm ceiling fan. Sweep 1200mm. Power 66 watts. Air delivery 205 cmm. RPM 400. Double ball bearing. Increases load bearing capacity. Warranty 2 years on product. Number 2 Bajaj Floor ceiling fan 1200mm. Sweep 1200mm. Power 56 watts. Air delivery 205 cmm. Rated speed RPM 340. Double ball bearing. Increases load bearing capacity. Warranty 2 years on product. Number 1 Bajaj New Bahar Deco 1200mm ceiling fan. Sweep 1200mm. Power 73 watts. Air delivery 210 cmm. RPM 380. Motor box dimension LXHXW in -260 by 215 by 170. Blade box dimension LXHXW in 390 by 143 by 40. Double ball bearing. Increases load bearing capacity. Quick start high torque motor. Ribbed blades. Improves blade stability. Warranty 2 years on product.